How to change your lock screen wallpaper in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, you want to right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on personalization. And then you want to click on lock screen right here. And then you can simply select whether you want to use a picture, slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. And then you can click on browse down here if you set it to picture. And then you can simply pick whichever picture that you want to use in your lock screen and set it. Now once you set it, you want to scroll down and make sure show lock screen background picture on sign in screen is also turned on. And then you can simply close this, and if you go back to your lock screen, you should see the picture. And if you want to change the account picture right here, which appears in the lock screen and the sign in screen, you will simply need to click on change account settings right here. And under this, you want to click on browse for one to change the picture. And then you will simply need to pick one picture from your pictures folder and click on choose picture, and that should change the picture right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.